Week 6 in the MakerSpace. Got it all planned out. This is what we're going to be doing. We, today, pre-K, we're going to be playing with puppets. Very technical plan involving puppets and puppet theaters and getting the puppet visible but not our head, when to move the puppet's mouth. Lots of intricate stuff to learn there. Kindergarten, we're going to be programming in Scratch Junior. It'll be the first experience with iPads and myself with the kindergartners, so that'll be super fun. We're going to be doing first grade. They're studying houses around the world, and we're going to take cardstock and design it into buildings. And I'm going to show them how to draw the building front on the cardstock, then cut it out with little tabs so they can glue it to the building sides that they've drawn on other pieces of cardstock. Second grade, they're on the way here right now, is going to be researching landmarks and creating models of them. So they're going to choose the landmarks that they're creating a model of and then use probably straw beads to create models of those landmarks. Third grade, really cool project. They're going to be researching an ancient type of armor and updating it with some modern influence, possibly the Hawks, because that's our school mascot, maybe our points of pride. We will hopefully be connecting it to like character education. What's the image we share with others? But they'll also be, as a group, building this cardboard armor thing. And it's really about group work, group dynamics, communication, project management skills. Fourth grade, we're halfway through, maybe, a puppet build. They're all about to figure out their mouths are too small, too big, and they have to be made smaller. But we can do that. It's just an issue of redesign. Fifth grade, we're going to do a connected Makey project. So similar to what we've done before with sixth grade, they're going to choose something to design with the Makey. They're going to build and design it and connect it to the Makey and make it play instruments or a game. Sixth grade, we're not meeting next week, but what we're looking at beyond that is beginning Arduinos. And I am not an Arduino expert, so I'm going to use the Project Ignite by AutoCAD, or Autodesk rather. They have a whole Arduino trainer sequence in there, so we're going to use that. That's what's on the plan. This biggest note from this week is a puppet building with fourth grade. They're not at the point where I can give them videos and have them do stuff. So right now they're all waiting on me to tell them what to do, which is not how I like to run classes, and it's really overwhelming and frustrating. And it really reinforces to me the value of taking that body of knowledge that students are interacting with and putting it somewhere outside of myself is so important, because then they can interact with that knowledge while I help one student problem solve. Because when we're doing puppets in the classroom, especially if I'm using the sewing machine, I spend a lot of my time just troubleshooting the machinery, and it's really difficult to support knowledge acquisition when you're doing tech support. So I guess note to future Sam, try to only do one job at a time in the room. I think second grade just walked in.
Yep, learned it in pre-K. If they're not crying, we're not trying.